everyone, I am astrologer and life coach Debanvita, and today I came with a new video in Vedic astrology, and this video is all about the effect of Mercury in the 7th house in your horoscope as per Vedic astrology. So before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. So let's explore this vast knowledge about Mercury in the 7th house in your horoscope as per Vedic astrology, and let's see what are the general effects of Mercury in the 7th house as per Vedic astrology. So what is the 7th house? I will tell you. The 7th house in any horoscope is all about our marriage, relationship and partnerships and business as well. Now Mercury, as we know, is the planet of intellect, communication and about our intelligence as well, and how about logic and how do we deal about daily life matters as well. So what are the positive traits of this planet whenever this planet gets placed in the 7th house of your horoscope as well, I will tell you. So the first positive trait which you can find whenever Mercury gets placed in the 7th house of your horoscope is that you will have many opportunities, a lot of opportunities to make money, and also you will have financial gains as well. As 7th house is the house for business and also partnership, so Mercury is a planet which also deals with finance in Vedic astrology. So whenever Mercury gets placed in the 7th house, then you have a lot of such opportunities in your life. Secondly, you are free to exchange ideas and thoughts in marriage rather than argument in marriage. The third positive aspect of Mercury in the 7th house is you have a lot of love and attachment in your relationship as well. Fourthly, you can be a good negotiator and you may have huge grasping power and excellent communications also. Now what are the general negative traits if Mercury gets placed in the 7th house of your horoscope? The first general negative trait of Mercury being in the 7th house of your horoscope is that despite you have a lot of social circle, sometimes you may feel lonely and also incomplete as well. Secondly, you may be indecisive in nature and cannot commit to anyone. You may also have a habit of lack of commitment as well. Thirdly, you may have some kind of troubles in decisions related to marriage if negative Mercury is somehow placed in the 7th house, being the lord of any negative house, or if it is placed with any negative planet in a negative manner. Fourthly, you can be quite over analyzing and thinking as well. You may think a lot and over analyze things as well. Now what are the career options for Mercury being placed in the 7th house? I will tell you. The first career option being Mercury placed in the 7th house is banking. Secondly, it is financial sector. Thirdly, it can be any kind of interior designer. You can be an interior designer as well. And fourthly, you can be in any kind of profession dealing with communication, particularly in business profession where you have to communicate with other people on daily basis as well. Now the notable signs for Mercury in the 7th house are Gemini, Virgo and Pisces. And now I will tell you what happens if Mercury is somehow retrograde and gets placed in the 7th house. So Mercury being retrograde in nature, if gets placed in the 7th house of your horoscope, your life partner may expect may see or may find unexpected behavior in relationship from you, firstly. Secondly, there may be ups and downs in your career, particularly if you are involved in business oriented matters. Thirdly, there can be legal issues with business partner. And fourthly, you may be very much argumentative in nature as well. Now, if somehow Mercury gets placed in as a combust planet in your 7th house, means it is quite close to the degree of the Sun in your 7th house. If it gets placed, then the energy of the Mercury gets burnt away due to the heated effects of Sun in any horoscope. So what can be the effect of such in the life of such native if Mercury gets placed in the 7th house and being combust as well? So firstly, you may have unnecessary expectations from relationships and marriage as well. Secondly, you may be jealous of others' growth, and you may be also complaining in nature as well. And there are a few remedies if somehow negative Mercury gets placed in the 7th house of your horoscope, and I will tell you certain remedies regarding that, performing which you could improve the effect of the 7th house Mercury to a lot of extent. So the first remedies regarding this placement is keep parrots at your home. Secondly, you can give food to ants and fish, particularly on Wednesdays. Thirdly, you could donate vegetables and green fruits on Wednesdays. And fourthly, you could also wear a Budh Yantra to improve the effects of Mercury in your life as well. So, I came to an end with the effects of Mercury in the 7th house, all the effects and what are the remedies related to Mercury in the 7th house, and I will again come with a new video in Vedic astrology regarding Mercury and other effects. So till that time, thank you.